In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Acuity Scheduling with Stripe and set up Stripe Tax for automatic tax collection. Whether you're running a small business or handling bookings for a large enterprise, managing transactions and taxes efficiently is crucial. So let's dive into the process step by step to ensure that your payment and tax system is seamless and up to date. First things first, let's make sure your Acuity Scheduling account is linked with Stripe for payment processing. This is important because Acuity doesn't have a built-in tax collection feature. Essentially, what happens is that Acuity transmits transaction data to Stripe, where taxes are calculated accurately. To connect Acuity with Stripe, navigate to your Acuity account settings and look for the payment processing section. There, you'll find an option to link with Stripe. This connection gives you the ability to handle payments smoothly while also ensuring your taxes are correctly calculated. Once you've successfully integrated Stripe with Acuity, we move to setting up Stripe Tax, which is a crucial component for automating your tax collection. Begin by logging into your Stripe dashboard, then head over to the tax section. Follow the prompts to configure your tax settings, which will include adding your business's tax origin address. This is an essential step, as the origin address plays a pivotal role in determining accurate tax calculations for your transactions. It's also important to register for tax in the states or countries where you have a tax obligation. Stripe provides tools to help you identify which regions you may need to register in, making this process a bit less daunting. Missing this step could result in compliance issues, so take the time to register where necessary. Furthermore, as part of the tax setup process, you will need to assign the correct tax category to your products or services within Stripe's product catalog. This categorization aids Stripe in determining the applicable tax rate for each transaction, ensuring accuracy in your tax collection. After you've completed the setup for Stripe Tax, the great news is that Stripe will automatically handle the calculation, collection, and reporting of taxes for all transactions processed from Acuity. This automation can be a significant time saver and provides peace of mind knowing that your tax obligations are being met correctly. You can review your tax obligations and registration status anytime by checking the Stripe dashboard. Regularly monitoring this dashboard helps you stay on top of your tax compliance while also providing insights for any adjustments that might need to be addressed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up a streamlined system to manage payments and taxes with Acuity Scheduling and Stripe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your business with greater efficiency and compliance.